Yeah, nation people. I don't know how I see it still right about now, you know. But here I go. One of my Kapachi called me, you know. And I say, yo, 10 star. You know, say, what here? It come like a 2 day I get for work out of the week. Because the man I say rain fall. You see what I say? And right now, it come like a just 2 day pay the man gone home with. Because the work with the man do, you have to work for pay yourself. So here I say right about now. Right about now, you know, as simple as I want to see it, you know. And as simple how some other people are live and easy, you know. You see what I say? During the whole pandemic stuff, you know. You see what I say? You know, it look like say the government now look on the poor youth them, my brother. Or now look on the hustler, the youth them or hustle, my brother. Because I whole a 3 day the man sleep away, you know. You see what I say from hustling, you know. You see what I say? I remember I say, adopt them youth them, you know, hustling and them jobbing on my brother. You see what I say? And every man's equipped with certain type of metal, you know, where can stand up on them foot, firm and strong, you know. You see what I say? All when the rain and fall, or the sun and shining, you know. Give me thing not dead about it, you know. But what you have one, or the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10 star general. You don't know it go already, you know. When I come to represent, full effective, man. You don't know it go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo. God's favorite. Watch this. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, God's a nation. And a gimmicks thing, you know. Because some people, you know, have it easier than some people, you know. So I say, what go on for the hustlers them? Because my brother is not a hustler. I work him work, but the work what him do, if you don't work a day, you don't get paid for that, my brother. You see what I say? So just imagine some people where a job work them do. Just imagine all them type of people there. I remember so when you do job work and them thing there, you know, you're liable to make a whole heap of money, you know, but here what. Well, if you can't get to done the job consistently, you see what I say? No care how much money you would have, you have to spend it, my virgin. No care how much money you have to spend it up, you know. So what really I want, it kind of look like the government and look on them thing there, you know. And now, and the workplace, them, you know, where the people them are working, you know, where you know, say, anything at the days them where you work, you'll get paid for. You see what I say? So if I one day you come and work today, that you'll get paid for. Walk to them people there, who take care of them people there. I walk to grandma where normally get up a Sunday morning time and I say I look right banana and I orange them and all them stuff there. Yeah? Walk to them people there. I don't hear nobody talk about them type of people there. It's like them not even exist, you know, as far as I'm concerned, you know. Yes, so I say, because the government now put in nothing in a power where the people, where for ease off pressure off of the people and or for even make it like benefit to the crisis of the lockdown or what go on for the people them because the workplace them now go pay you if you don't come in that day there and that day there. So if you take 3 days out of the people them shit, you know, my virgin, And nothing him rainbow grace back, my brother. A wicked thing that he do to the people, you know what I mean? A member say, minimum wages, are like 7,500 and them shit there now already, And some workplace we hear 8 grand and them thing there. Just remember, say that already, tough for the people, them angry, People have to skillful for your bat with them type of money there, my brother. You see me? Worse all the people who have all family and them shit there, youth and all them shit there, them house and them thing there. And no farmer gimmicks thing, no laughing matter, You see what I say? No, in place for that type of situation, my brother. For you take 3 days from the people, my brother, without nothing. Then I say, like, I left them people, I'm going to left for dead then now, my brother. I left them, I'm going to left for dead now, So, I don't know why the 3 days take away from the people then. Because if the thing I go on, it not go on on Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. But it go on Monday and Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. It don't go on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Yes. Whenever I see what I do, may I say, whatever go on, that the people have to come off of the road, then, and shut them off of go on. You see what I say? It look like whatever go on Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Yo, it's ridiculous, my brother. You know what I mean? And it's tough for the people. You see what I say? I don't know joke shit. And nobody know pray that. You know what I mean? And I don't know if the government himself now look into that. Because the plan where them draw up, they should have been a look out for the people. Them. What about the people? Them? Like, you know what I mean? All them people are going to manage that type of activity. Them. You never thought about that. Remember, I hear people, them, the same people them will vote for and them shit there. You never think about how them are going to manage that type of crisis. Them. You know what I mean? Because Joe plan that you're not come up with it. Because if whatever go on, make you have to lock down the place, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday, You know what I mean? What the difference with Wednesday, Thursday and Friday and Saturday? Right now to me it look like all the church involved with all of the thing. I'm not even hear them come out of rebel and say nothing at all. You see what I'm saying? And this thing I go on from a while now. All now I hear them people come out and say nothing at all. It's like everything cute and Christian. But if anything else, you'd hear, my brethren. You'd hear the type of catastrophe we are going on. Yo, really represent a lollipop. You see what I'm saying? Because when my general talk to me today, and I feel when the man definitely I tell you. So I have to come out, come sound the big thing them upon it. Because no gimmicks thing not dead about it, my virgin. No gimmicks not in my game, no Gaza nation. I don't know joke shit, You know what I mean? Want to the youth them where I hustle them, hustle. Because you take 3 days from them, my virgin. You know what I mean? And probably the 3 days where you take, some people, main day them there for hustling, All you want to look on it, and probably think, say, them day they are there where you easy back, Them day there are some people, main day for hustling, What them get in return? Because everything I raise up, give the transport man them 15%. No, you still not put on minimum wages. You know what I mean? So all the people them cannot pay these high expense with the wages there where you afford for minimum wages. You know what I mean? Plus, you take what 3 days from them. You know see what really are going? Come on now, man, you have to have some art, man. You have to have some art, my virgin, because come like right now, you lose it, my friend. I don't even no joke shit. It's like them lose it big time. You know what I mean? Full time, and right now it look like a all the time thing. No gimmicks thing not dead about it, and you cannot treat the people them like that, my brother. And nobody not talk to for the people them. You know what I mean? Come in here, nobody attack them with there. Or if you take a 3 days from the people them and you reimburse them with nothing. Eh? Nothing at all. It's already tough already with the minimum wages we are swing. You see what I say? Much as you take a 3 days from the people them. Look into it, the nation people. I don't know gimmicks thing. Remember, you know, man, the general, you know, man, the 10-star one, you know. I represent, you know, Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10-star. General. Watch.